Hello everybody, I'm going to show you here how to install Audacity and all of the effects plugins while you are on Mac. This process is incredibly simple and wonderfully straightforward. So I am here on Chrome, but you can use any web browser you would like. We're right now on audacityteam.org, and you're going to see these nice two little options for installing. You have the download Audacity 3.5.1 installs with no extras. If you don't want a single plugin, you don't want to deal with any of that, feel free absolutely to click the one here on the left. Otherwise, and the thing I am genuinely recommending, is Audacity plus free effects and samples. By clicking this, you'll see instantly a quick download happen, and this is going to get you set up with all of that. So we are going to click on this one here. We are going to see muse_hub.dmg. We're just going to click that, and you're going to see this fun little pop-up here. Now, all you're going to do here, take MuseHub and drag it into that applications folder. And just like that, MuseHub is installed. Now, what MuseHub is Muse is a company that owns Audacity. It's also where we are going to be installing Audacity and all of its effects plugins. So now that all of that is installed, we're just going to exit that window. So now that we have all that installed, we're just going to go to our applications folder by launching Finder and clicking on applications. And you're going to see this nice little thing called MuseHub. Going to give that a quick double click. It's going to prompt you saying it's an app from the internet. Do you want to open it? Absolutely, we want to. You're most likely going to be prompted with this little thing to enter your password. I'm not showing mine for obvious reasons, but please click install helper when you see that. Now right away, you're going to see this little thing called MuseHub pop up. So this has a bunch of little options and a lot of cool functionality in it. First off, you'll see under here you have apps. Muse makes a couple different stuff. All we're interested here is Audacity. So we're just going to give that a click. You'll see it is slowly installing. So that is installed. And ta-da! Right from there, Audacity is installed. Nice and easy. So now that we have Audacity, we're going to want some effect plugins. Now these are incredibly useful and just provide a bit of extra functionality and user support when processing audio. So for that, we are going to be going over to effects. Now, I already have a bunch of this stuff already installed, but installing a new one is just as simple as the rest of them. You're going to see all these little blocks here, and underneath, you'll see a little icon saying Get. You just give that one click, it downloads, and then you'll see a nice little check mark. And that's it. It is literally that simple. Audacity is installed, and you can get as many of these plugins as you would like right off the bat.